Hi everyone, welcome to my first episode of DIY Inspire, where I show you really cool ideas that I find on the internet, on Pinterest, and just from my own ideas and present them to you to inspire you to think creatively and make cool things. But if you'd like to know more about this series, I'm just going to put more details in the description box. And today's first episode is making really cool pistachio shell flowers. So if you'd like to know how to make those, stick around and I hope you enjoy.